Guys, welcome back to Crypto Morning Coffee Show. I am MikeCesSr, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. Happy 4th of July. That is first and foremost that I would like to say to each and every veteran who has served our country of the great United States of America. We truly appreciate your courage and your strength that you helped us fight for this country, and we couldn't have done it without you. Thank you very much. Happy 4th of July to everyone. So we're gonna leave off pretty much where we left off last night. I had said that we were looking for a bounce on Bitcoin off this 15 EMA and a test off the 200, and that's exactly what we got. We ended up getting and managing to get up to 67.93, which is amazing. But we just weren't able to handle, we weren't able to hold the price above that 200 EMA. And I had stated that yesterday as well, guys. I had said that it's going to be tough to crack this 200 EMA. In order to go on any type of another run, I really truly believe that a close above this 200 EMA is very important. It's important for all these other coins, and it's pretty much important for the cryptocurrency market in general to get a close over this 200 EMA. Now, there's a lot of bullish sentiment going on that definitely is playing a great role in this price increase. You know, we're getting a ton of volume coming out. I mean, not crazy volume, but let's go to if we go to the 24-hour. I mean, it's not bad, right? The volume's not too bad for where we are right now. So, I mean, just today, guys, I would just keep a look at a close over the 67.53. You know, I don't know if you guys are trading today. I don't know what the situation is, but you know, that's something that I am looking for. I actually got caught in a short last night. I didn't even realize I did this. I put a short in at 6,500. That was my entry price, right? Now, if we go all the way down here to 6,500, the reason why I put my short in at 6,500 is because we were battling with that 15 EMA. And I wasn't sure if we were going to be able to get past it and get a close above it to move on to the 200. So I planned on exiting right around the 55. And for some reason, I completely forgot, and this is such a rookie mistake, I completely forgot that I even put a short in. So I woke up this morning to my my margin account, and I'm severely down. So, you know, I'm at a point right now where I just set a stop loss. Again, guys, you know, everybody who is new to leverage trading, stop losses, make them your best friend, because you know, it takes the emotional part out of trading, and it kind of just stops you out of a position you might not want to be in, just like I am right now. I don't want to be in this position right now. I completely forgot that I even put this $6,500 order in, but it picked it up while I was sleeping, and now I am shit out of luck. So, you know, in my case, I'm hoping that this at least retraces back down to the 65 so I can get out of my position, but for the overall sentiment of the market, I hope we do get a close above this 200 EMA. Let's take a look at Ethereum as well. Kind of doing it's a little slower than Bitcoin at the moment. I expected Ethereum to move right along with Bitcoin and touch that 200 EMA, but that is quite a stretch in price. I mean, going from 472 all the way up to 505 is definitely a you know, a stretch. So I understand why I wasn't able to get up to the 200 EMA, but I still think it is feasible if we do get a close over that 200 EMA on the BTC chart. Limber, what's up, man? Can those pumps be considered as bull flags? It could be a bull pole, but the bull flag has not yet formed, right? This pump right here can be considered as a bull pole. But we have to wait to see if there is consolidation in order for the flag to appear. So what would happen is if we did get a close, which I'm not going to see, right? There's 24 minutes left in the 4-hour chart on BTC. And it looks like we're getting some strong rejection from that 200 EMA. So I am expecting a little bit of a retracement to the downside before we try to test that 200 EMA again. But I wouldn't consider this a bull pole, bull flag, not yet. Maybe if it would have closed above the 200 EMA and then kind of made a pattern similar to this here, you know, that would have been a bull pole, bull flag. But it was not able to do that. So I mean, hey, this pattern could still form out. You know, we could still get something like this out of this this next 23 minutes. We could get a close, maybe touching the 200 EMA in the next 23 minutes, and then consolidate within this kind of flag pattern and make another leg up. But I expected to see strong rejection at that 200 EMA. We saw it. And the next battle, my friends, to move on is, I mean, the past ones. Yeah, the past ones are definitely bull flags. I mean, bull pole, bull flag, absolutely. I mean, this one here, it's kind of a messy bull flag, right? I mean, that's kind of a messed up bull flag. That's not something that I would have traded off of. If we go to the 6-hour chart, maybe it looks a little better. You know, you have that initial run up with the consolidation, but it looked like went a little too low to be a bull flag, but it ended up playing out to be one. So, oh, hold on one second, guys. I gotta mute this. Sorry about that, guys. That was family, and family comes first. You know that. So, yeah, I don't think, you know, it looked like a sloppy bull flag, but it ended up playing out on the 6-hour chart anyway. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin was one of the coins that somebody, I think it was producer. Who was that last night? John? Can you remember? I forget his name. I think it was Nick. Maybe Nick. Nick had asked about Litecoin last night and what the possibilities were to get into a position. And I had said to wait for a bounce off this 15 EMA. That's exactly what happened. We ended up getting that bounce. And we ended up getting some nice price action all the way up to $88. So we went from $83 from where we were last night, where I had said to wait for a bounce off that 15 EMA, and had you put a purchase order in right at that 15 EMA bounce, you would have definitely caught that this small little upswing of what, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about $5-6. Let's go on to BNB. BNB is kind of forming a bull flag right now. Listen, I'm never going to give up on BNB. I still think it's going to be one of the top movers of the year. You know, it just does what it does. There's not too much TA that I can do on it right now. We had a crossover right here in the 15 to the 55. Also crossing over the 200, which is kind of bearish in my eyes. And we're kind of also forming this bear flag that it maybe could possibly get ugly for BNB, but I'm not losing hope. We are below all... Oh, I'm on the 6-hour. But even on the 4-hour, we are still below all moving averages, which kind of worries me. That's a lot of resistance to get through to kind of go on another run with BNB. But listen, we had a great, you know, couple of, at least a month, 2 months of just consistency with BNB. So you can't get too mad at that. You know what I mean? You gotta obviously get some retracement out of that. Let's take a look at NEO. NEO sitting at $38, guys, of a high of $40. We hit $40. We hit $40. NEO went back to $40 all the way from the graves of $27. I think it even went lower than that. Why do I want to... I remember seeing it at like 25 somewhere. But yeah, I'm going to stick with that. NEO was at $25 at one point. I think it was on Binance. No, it wasn't on Binance. I don't know where it was on. But we dug ourselves out from the depths of the swallowed abyss, and we absolutely just came back strong like bull. And listen, this 200 EMA is going to be a motherfucker. It is going to be tough to cross. See, I have my alert set right now, looking for a cross over this 200 EMA. You know, that's going to give me some confirmation that this is definitely going to be continuing to move forward. Let's take a look at BTC one more time. 4-hour chart seems to be working its way back up to that 200 EMA a little bit, but again, 18 minutes left. I'm not expecting this to get a close over. You know, this is a pretty strong rejection wick, so I am going to probably, we're going to end up seeing some consolidation. God, what is going on here? Yeah, guys, I gotta get going. I have a cookout that I have to go to, but listen, I just wanted to come on real quick, say what's up. I don't know if we're gonna end up doing the green screen or not. I think I want to start putting a couple of. I think I want to start maybe putting some shit in the background to make it kind of. I don't know. I get some ideas, man, but who knows with this brain what is going to end up happening. But listen, guys, I know it's only an 11-minute stream. The chat seemed to be not very active. Nobody really, I know there's really not much to look at. So I'm going to end that on that note. Happy 4th of July to everybody out there. Thank you for your service, for those who have served our country. And for everybody, you know, make that money, stay trading, stay strong. Reach out to me on any single one of my social media platforms, and I will get right back to you. I truly mean that. And let's just hope we can get a close above this 200 EMA and continue moving forward on this bullish momentum to the upside. All right. I'm sorry I couldn't make this stream longer, but I will be back tonight around 9 o'clock with another Crypto Nightly, and we can hang out and really, you know, take a look at a couple of things over there. So, guys, have a great day. Happy 4th of July, and I'll see you on the next one.